Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I will make the Golf a little more drivable again. So let's begin. I bought these exhaust pipes, so let's set them in the sun. So this reductor will I weld in between the reductor I now have and then between this exhaust clamp. The exhaust clamp is an 38mm clamp that will fit over this pipe and over the middle silencer. So let's measure everything up and start welding. So this piece is normally a little bit smaller as that one. I believe it's the same diameter as this one, I believe. So should fit perfectly. If this is the same as this one, then I can grind this one off, and weld those pieces together and then fixate everything on the rear silencer, so then it should be fixed. So time to get everything off or loose. This one and the two bolts in the front, and then everything should come off quite nicely. So I just finished with grinding the pipes. Everything is now almost put together. As you can see, they line up pretty nice, so let's get to the welding part. I just welded everything off and then grinded it off. Came out pretty good, I think. For the first time I welded pipe, so not bad. I think I'm gonna give it a quick coat of exhaust paint, and then let's put it on the car. Everything's cleaned up, so it's all attached. So I'm curious to see what it will do. I have some soapy water with me. I'm gonna start the car and then I'm gonna spray some water on it, and let's hope no air bubbles appear. On this note, I would like to end the video. As you can see, we successfully quiet her down. If you want to see more videos like this or stuff like this about my Golf, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day, guys.